This thing needs some rack and pinion work. We got a bracket right here. You can see the top and the bottom. It's broken. And can't replace just that part. You gotta replace the whole rack. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on that.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, man, we back at it. This is gonna be part 2 of the Tahoe, 07 Chevy Tahoe. I already did the wheel bearings, lower control arm, upper control arm, and what we're working on next is the wheel of the rack and pinion. We're gonna get up under here, see what we got. Alright, rack and pinion. Should be a straightforward job. We got 2 bolts here on the left side, top and bottom. And would normally have, we got 2 bolts that'll hold here, top and bottom. You see that bracket is broken. Alright. Got some lines up here. So undo that. Right there. Undo that bolt. We on the front side of it. That's the 2 bolts right there. And we got one right there. And that's the other bolt right there. You can see it. I had to get it out a different way. See, I got these lines still in there because this one bolt, I believe it's a 7 or 8 mil, it's stripped on me. So I'm gonna have to work on that, get that bolt out of there. Want to know how to get those off? Click the link in the description below. And that's that bolt, man. All stripped out on me.
A few moments later.
Got a brand new one. That's what we looking like. And that's that bracket that broke on this one. Yep, that whole thing broke off. We did end up getting this strip bolt out. This thing was in there so tight. Got my guy Alex, the car doctor, got him to get it out for me. Tried a couple things, but you see we got a little gap in there. Made a little groove. Put some heat to it. Once he put that little indentation in there, he ended up getting it out. So apparently we got these caps here. These are like gaskets to hold, keep the fluid in. Wanna put little slits in them down in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. All right, we going up. other side. You want to line it up like the other one. Count the threads.